Hi everyone, I am Surya, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of Commerce, CA, Satyamangalam. We are going to discuss about e-commerce technology. First of all, mercantile models from the merchant's perspective. Next, order planning or order generation, cost estimation and pricing, order receipt and entry, order selection and periodization, order scheduling, order fulfillment and delivery, order billing and account, payment management, post sales services. Next, meaning of mercantile process model. Mercantile models can be either retail oriented as well as customer oriented. From the prospect of the retailer, different processes like planning, costing and pricing, order acknowledgement, scheduling, order accomplishment and billing forms the constituents of the entire process. Next one, mercantile models from the consumer's perspective meaning. Mercantile models from the consumer perspective are business process model that define how consumers and merchants interact in online commerce. Mercantile process models from the merchant's perspective. Merchant's model from the merchant's perspective define how merchant and a consumer interact in online commerce. A standard mercantile process model is necessary to ensure that buyers, sellers and other parties interact in a way that represents standard business processes. Next, process of mercantile merchant's perspective. Order planning and order generation, cost estimation and pricing, order receipt and entry, order selection and periodization, order scheduling, order fulfillment and delivery, order billing and account, payment management, post sales service. Next, order planning and order generation. Order planning leads to order generation. Order are generated in a number of ways in the commerce environment. The Salesforce broadcast ads, sends personalized email to customers or creates a World Wide Web page. Next one, cost estimation and pricing. Pricing is the bridge between customer needs and company capabilities. Pricing at the individual order level depends on understanding the value to the customer that is generated by each order, evaluating the cost of filling each order, instituting a system that enables the company to price each order based on its value and cost. Next, order receipt and entry. After an acceptable price quote, the customer enters the order receipt and entry pass of OMC. This was under the purview of departments variously titled customer service, order entry, the inside sales desk or customer liaison. Next one, order selection and periodization. Customer service representatives are also often responsible for choosing which orders to accept and which to decline. Not all customers' orders are created equal. Some are better for the business. Next one, order scheduling. In this pass, the periodized order get slotted in an actual production or operational sequence. This task is difficult because the different functional departments, sales, marketing, customer service, operations or production, may have conflicting goals, compensation systems, organizational imperatives. Production people seek to minimize equipment changeovers while marketing and customer service reps argue for special service for special customers. Next one, order fulfillment and delivery. In this actual provision of the product or service is made, it involves multiple functions and locations. In this actual provisions of the product or service is made, it involves multiple functions and locations. Order billing and account, payment management. After the order has been fulfilled and delivered, billing is given by finance staff. The billing function is designed to serve the needs and interest of the company, not the customer. Post sales service. This POS plan an increasingly important role in all elements of a company's profit equation, customer price and cost. It can include such elements as physical installation of your product, repair and maintenance, customer training, equipment, upgrading and disposal. The newest technologies are direct deposit of payroll, online bill payment and telephone transfers. The technology for paying bills, whether by computer or telephone, is infinitely more sophisticated than anything on the market a few years ago. In 1980s were the days of Stone Age technology because of technology choices for accessing services were limited. For home banking, greater demands on consumer and expanding need for information, its services are often categorized as basic, intermediate and advanced. Basic services, these are related to personal finance. The evaluation of ATM machines from live tellers and now to home banking. The ATM network has with banks and their associations being the routers and the ATM machines being the heterogeneous computers on the network. The interoperable network of ATMs has created an interface between customer and a bank that changed the competitive dynamics of the industry. See in next figure. Increased ATM usage and decrease in teller transactions. The future of home banking lies in PCs. Next, intermediate services. The problem with home banking in 1980s is it is expensive service that requires a PC and modem and special service. As the equipment becomes less expensive and as bank offers broader services, home banking developed into comprehensive package that could even include as insurance, entertainment. Consider the computerized online bill payment system. It never forgets to record a payment and keeps track of user account number, name, amount and the date, and we used to instruct with payment instructions. Thank you.